Hey everyone, didn't see you there. Welcome back to the place we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today looking at the Good Manner Yellow Dust Mask for kids. Yellow dust means pollen, I'm pretty sure. Let's open this up and put it in the clamper. This is a KF94. Love the KF94 masks when they're legitimate KF94s. Crazy thing is, KF94, as it's been exploding in the United States here, it's also been exploding in China in terms of trying to sell us fake versions. So I've got a couple on here, which have been pretty exciting to see. And we'll let her rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about this machine, I'm going to put a link up there, but we're basically doing the N95 test here, which means it should pass at 94%. That's what the 94 stands for. So, Good Manner, ages 5 to 12, KF94 certified. Great safety. ISO, it fits well from ages 34, made in South Korea. So one kind of dead giveaway I have found is the fake masks don't come individually packaged. The real KF94s are packaged in this material with this barrier bag, which is just a great way to package things. And it's obviously in Korean, but I've even seen the fakes that are made in China put all Korean language on the outside. I'm not sure they're trying to trick Americans or they're trying to sell into the Korean market. I'd love to know. If you have ideas, let me know. Look at that. That's great. Wow. These are great kids' masks. There's a very slight plastic smell on here, and I'm going to call this smell, it smells like plastic was here, but not anymore. I'm trying to do the test here. You know, this could fit a little snugger, to be honest. Let's jump on over to the PFE results. 99.65, but look, this I want to pay attention here. We've been seeing KF94s in the 130s, 140s. 180 is a little high for a kid. 183. I like to personally see masks below 150 pascals. So Good Manner, I'd probably pass on you just because there's so many better options out there. Not that this is a bad mask. This is pretty good. Look at that, 99.668. Granted, was the final 99.667. Granted, we are only testing one mask here. There are many. It could vary. We don't know. This is just a YouTube channel. The lab coat, someone bought it for me. I didn't go to like a lab coat certifications store. It's not a thing. Check it out. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will catch you on that next test, which is tomorrow, by the way, 10 a.m. See you there. Oh, I almost fell over all this stuff. That would have been embarrassing.